Hey everybody, it's Neil, and for biking and stuff, I figured I'd get myself a nice pair of sunglasses. So I'll show you guys what I have here. This is at ALTALIST, I guess it is. It's ALTALIST. And then it comes in a plastic bag, and then in this, I'll put this down here. And it comes in a little pouch, which is nice. And then in the pouch, we've got one of those little polarizing tests, so you can look through it and see it polarized. And then we have a little pouch here, so a little carrying pouch for it, as well as a cleaning cloth. And then here we go. We have these glasses here, and then I think this is like a glasses adapter if you wear glasses. I don't wear glasses, so I don't have to worry about that. But check out these are pretty cool looking. And they've got good wraparound ability too. It looks like it's got a little nose piece on it, so let's see how they fit. And wow, those fit good. And I see super ridiculously clear. How come I see so good? I think it makes it clearer of a view than I had otherwise. So my helmet's not tied on, but this is great. I really like this. So I guess it's gonna have the polarizing ability. If I look in here, let me see. You guys won't see it, but I will. Oh, I see. With that little color card, I see a cat looking at, I don't even know what it is, like flowers or something. So really cool. So these are good sunglasses, and they look good, they feel good. I think it'll stay on. It's not gonna go anywhere because it's got the little rubber tips on it and stuff. So these are good. I could even put a clip on the end of it if I really want to, but these are great. And they got the little logo on the side. So these are awesome. Thumbs up.